Here are 3 things you should do if you've been in an automobile accident. Number 1, write down everything that was said at the scene and the names of everybody who was at the scene as quickly as you can. Take photographs of the vehicles that were involved and take photographs of the scene if at all possible. Photographing vehicles such as a broken seat back, damage underneath the vehicle that isn't readily apparent can be crucial in showing the force of the impact, and that information can disappear once the car is repaired. Take photographs of your injuries, your cuts, your bruises. They may be bruises or cuts that heal up. But for example, if it's a bruise to the knee, it may indicate that there's been trauma to the knee, and if you in the future develop a problem with that knee, it helps prove that the problem with the knee was caused by the forces in the collision. To get more information about what you should do early on after an accident and as your claim progresses, download the free books and information, DVDs and CDs that we have at our website.